Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the podcast.
Hi, friends. We are very happy you are here today.
Today, we are talking about holidays.
Yes, holidays are fun, relaxing, and very important in daily life conversations.
You can talk about vacations, family trips, festivals, or even simple weekend holidays.
And don't worry, we will use easy English,
Short sentences,
simple words,
and real conversations.
so you can listen, repeat, and improve your English step by step.
If you enjoy learning English with us, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.
And now, let's begin. Talking about holidays.
Stephanie, do you like holidays?
Oh, yes, I do. I love holidays because I can relax and spend time with my family.
That's great. Everyone, listen to this sentence. I can relax and spend time with my family.
Relax means to rest and feel calm.
Yes. Let's say it again together. I can relax and spend time with my family.
Good job.
Stephanie, what is your favorite holiday?
My favorite holiday is New Year's Day
Why do you like it?
because I can watch fireworks, eat delicious food, and talk with friends.
Very nice.
Listeners, did you hear the phrase delicious food?
Delicious means very tasty.
For example, this cake is delicious.
Or, the noodles are delicious.
Now listen again.
Because I can watch fireworks, eat delicious food, and talk with friends.
Great listening. Asking about holidays.
Now let's learn a common question.
What did you do on your holiday?
This question is very useful.
Yes, people ask this after vacations or holidays.
Let's practice. Stephanie, what did you do on your holiday?
I visited my grandparents and cooked dinner with my family.
That sounds nice.
Thank you.
Everyone, listen carefully. I visited my grandparents.
Visited is the past form of visit.
Another example, I visited my friend.
Or, we visited Delhi last year.
Now repeat after us. We visited our grandparents.
Excellent. Talking about travel.
Many people travel during holidays.
Yes, let's learn some travel words.
Trip,
Beach,
hotel,
train,
airport.
vacation.
Good. Now let's use them in sentences.
I went on a trip with my cousins.
We stayed in a small hotel.
I went to the beach.
The airport was busy.
Now listen one more time.
I went on a trip with my cousins.
We stayed in a small hotel.
Very good.
Simple real-life conversation. Now let's do a real conversation.
Listen carefully.
Hi, Ronald. How was your holiday?
It was great.
What did you do?
I went to Jaipur with my family.
Oh, nice. Did you enjoy the trip?
Yes, I did. We visited old buildings and ate local food.
That sounds fun.
It was really fun.
Okay, everyone. Now let's talk about some key phrases.
How was your holiday?
This means you are asking about someone's vacation or free time.
Another phrase. Did you enjoy the trip?
This means, was the trip fun?
Now repeat. Did you enjoy the trip?
You're improving already. Talking about weather on holidays.
Weather is also a common topic during holidays.
Yes, people often say, the weather was sunny.
Or, it was rainy every day.
Let's practice.
How was the weather on your trip?
It was warm and sunny.
Perfect.
Now listeners, repeat. It was warm and sunny.
Great work.
Holiday activities. Let's talk about holiday activities.
What do people do on holidays?
People sleep late,
Go shopping?
watch movies,
Cook special food?
visit family members.
Let's make sentences.
I watched movies with my sister.
We cooked special food.
I visited my aunt.
Good examples.
Now listen again carefully.
We cooked special food.
I watched movies with my sister.
Excellent listening practice.
Talking about festivals.
In many countries, people celebrate festivals during holidays.
Yes, festivals are exciting. For example, Diwali is a popular festival in India.
Traditions are celebrated.
Christmas is celebrated in many countries.
People wear new clothes during festivals. Families eat together.
Now repeat the sentence.
Families eat together.
Very good. Listening practice. Now let's do a short listening practice.
Listen first.
Last month, I went to Goa with my friends. We stayed near the beach. The weather was sunny and the food was delicious. We swam in the sea and took many pictures.
Okay, now let's talk about the important words.
Beach.
Sunny.
Delicious.
Pictures.
Now listen one more time. Last month, I went to Goa with my friends. We stayed near the beach. The weather was sunny and the food was delicious. We swam in the sea and took many pictures.
Did you understand more the second time?
That is great practice for English listening.
Useful holiday questions. Now let's learn useful questions.
Where did you go?
Where did you go with?
What did you eat?
Did you take photos?
When did you come back?
These questions are very common in daily English.
Let's practice one. Ronald, who did you go with?
I went with my brother.
Nice answer.
Now you try at home.
Encouragement section. Friends, remember something important.
You do not need perfect English.
Practice a little every day.
Listen carefully.
Repeat sentences.
And speak slowly.
You are learning step by step.
And that is amazing.
Good job today.
Wrap up. Today we learned many useful holiday phrases.
We talked about trips, festivals, weather, food, and travel.
Here are some key phrases again.
How was your holiday?
I visited my grandparents.
The food was delicious.
We stayed in a small hotel.
Did you enjoy the trip?
Excellent work, everyone.
Keep listening and practicing English every day.
And remember, small practice every day brings big improvement.
Before we go, tell us in the comments, what is your favorite holiday?
Or what do you like to do during holidays?
We would love to read your answers.
Thank you so much for listening.
Take care and keep learning English.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.